First impressions really do count, and you only get one chance. The good news is that small tweaks can make a big difference without emptying your wallet. Today I'm sharing quick, affordable wins to boost curb appeal for your home, so it looks fresher, more inviting, and more valuable the moment someone walks up. Let's kick off with the door, your headline act. A fresh coat of paint on the front door transforms everything. Deep navy, British racing green, charcoal, pillar box red, mustard. If it's worn, replace the letterbox. Swap the tired knocker, replace the door handle, brass, black, chrome. Don't forget the door number, clear modern numerals or a small plaque instantly tidy the look. Now, your doorstep story. A clean, bold doormat says welcome, planted to the left, planted to the right. Symmetry appeals to human psychology. Cheap terracotta or thrifted pots work wonders. Evergreen box, lavender, hardy grasses. In winter, a simple seasonal wreath adds warmth without being fussy. Lighting is massive for mood. Simple black lantern, sleek modern wall light. If wiring's a fuss, go solar, warm white, not harsh blue. A pair of lights by the door makes everything feel intentional and furthers appealing symmetry. Add solar stake lights along the path for subtle glow and safety. Clean equals premium. Jet wash the path, jet wash the drive, jet wash the steps, scrub the door, scrub the frames, scrub the sills, wipe the glass, polish the letterbox, weed between the paving, especially between old cracks to make them less obvious. Edge the lawn for that crisp, cared-for line. Clear gutters. This makes the roof look well maintained and raises less concerns. Brush off cobwebs from corners and porch ceilings. Tidy the front garden. Clip hedges square, lift low branches, remove dead growth. Decorative gravel under the window, gravel along a border. Mulch makes plants pop and reduces watering. Touch up flaking paint with a breathable masonry or fence paint. One afternoon, massive payoff. Windows are your smile. Clean inside, clean outside. Straighten blinds to the same height. Keep curtains tidy from the street. Open neatly during the day and close neatly when dark. A simple window box with trailing ivy and seasonal color gives instant charm to any home. Tame the bins. Hide wheelie bins behind a cheap wooden screen or move them out of sight. Slim trellis with climbing jasmine. A painted palette. Even grouping them neatly and adding stick-on number labels looks more deliberate. Hardware harmony matters and creates a purposeful look. Match the metal finishes. Don't mix several tones. Update the doorbell. Add a modern knocker. Fit a tidy letter plate brush to stop drafts and mess. A crisp, readable house number helps deliveries and looks professional. Little extras. Touch up hairline cracks with exterior filler and dab of paint. Replace cracked paving slabs or flip them if they're two-sided. Add a slim bench or foldable bistro chair if space allows. One accent cushion. Done. Clean the car if it's on the drive. It frames your home and reflects how well you may maintain your home. Working on a budget? Prioritize the big three. Door refresh. Path and driveway clean. Greenery at the entrance. Here's a simple weekend plan. Morning, jet wash, weed and edge. Afternoon, paint the door and touch up trim. Evening, install new numbers and solar lights. Sunday, plant pots, tidy bins, final wipe down. Curb appeal isn't about perfection, it's about subtle signals, clean, cohesive and cared for. Small changes, strong first impression, big impact. You'll only get one chance to make a good first impression. Start with one small tweak today and watch your home smile back.